So today we had our first snow. Come along on a drive with me and see how beautiful it is. It is the perfect day to stay home and can, but I had to make a road trip today to pick up some items. And so I was headed south, and I thought I would take you along because it is the first day of snow. Beautiful, powdery snow. I just love how it looks on the evergreen trees, and I just thought you'd enjoy going along with a ride with me and just getting to see the first snow. I have something magic about the first snow and the way it sticks to the trees here in Michigan. So enjoy this short little ride with me.